Let's look at today's Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. So it was a gap down of 2% in the morning. So I was waited for a good price movement, so which I posted here. So this is a 3-minute chart in a Nifty. Nothing was clear after a big gap down. So I said, so when price traded at this point at 11:54, I have posted this message: if price accepted below 15,890, it can go till 15,770. So this was a 15,770. So almost the price reached the expected target in a day, but the problem is I couldn't get proper entry in this whole area, so I didn't take any trades. Again, Bank Nifty was also the same thing. So I expected a BOF trade to happen at the day high. Again, it just missed with some few points. And after that, there was one more entry triggered at 150. So which I posted here. Can look for a short in Bank Nifty now. So at this point, again I missed. So again I missed with a very few rupees. So again it fall for 150 points from up. I couldn't enter anywhere. So after a price trading at this point, I decided not to trade in a Bank Nifty. So I closed my day without taking any trades. Without no. This may also happen. Sometimes the prices will move in our favorable direction, but the entry will not trigger. At that time, I will always keep practice the patience, and I'll wait for a very low risk high reward trade. If I don't get it, I'll close the terminal without any regrets. I'll come back tomorrow with the same mindset and with more experience and the more energy. See you all tomorrow. As always, practice patience.